Today, I'll show you how to make the perfect lemonade in less than 10 minutes. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I've prepared many great recipe videos for you. We have very simple ingredients: 5 lemons, 1 orange, 270 grams of sugar, 300 milliliters of boiling water, 3 liters of room temperature water. First of all, we zest the 5 lemons and the orange. We put the lemon and the orange peels into a bowl. Then we add 270 grams of sugar into the bowl. We have to mix the peels and the sugar for around 5 minutes. This process will help us to activate the aroma in the peels, and we will get this aroma into the sugar. When we are done with the process of mixing the peels and the sugar, we will add 300 milliliters of boiling water into the bowl. And we have to stir with a spoon until the sugar melts in the hot water. Then we will squeeze the 5 lemons and the orange, and we will add the lemon-orange juice mixture into the bowl as well. We mix the ingredients in the bowl. Then we will filter this mixture through a thin filter. What we end up with is the core of our lemonade. When we add 3 liters of cold water into it, our lemonade is ready. You can taste your lemonade and add more or less water at the end. Also, if you want to add more sugar at the very end, you can melt some sugar in hot water and add it. If you tried the recipe and like it, please don't forget to give this video a like. If you use different ingredients or you have a better lemonade recipe, please don't forget to mention it in the comments below. Also, if you want me to prepare some future recipes, please don't forget to mention them below. Now you can enjoy your lemonade with some ice and mint leaves.